Should I renovate my home in today's market before listing it? Are you currently looking to list your property but are wondering what you need to fix up or how many renovations you should do before you list? In today's market, many sellers wonder how much work they should put in before listing, and is it worth it? Hi, I'm Janet Bunting with Janet Bunting Team Properties at Palmetto Coastal Homes. The answer to this question is yes and no, depending on what's happening in your local market. In today's market, increased inventory has given buyers more options than in previous years. This means as a homeowner, you may not be able to ignore some updates or repairs that may not have been necessary or that could have been overlooked in previous months. In a recent article from Realtor.com, to stand out in today's market, sellers should make their home attractive to buyers, which usually means some selective updates. However, since we're still in a seller's market, renovating a few key areas in your home may be enough to make your house stand out from the competition. And you will need to consider the return on your investment. According to the 2022 Remodeling Impact Report from the National Association of Realtors, hardwood flooring, refinishing, and putting in new wood flooring has the most significant value in today's market. Also, what's just as important is to make sure your real estate agent knows of any upgrades you've previously done. This way they can be properly marketed to make buyers aware of your features and improvements. Have your realtor create a book about your home with all of the improvements and updates. Finally, the best recommendation is to spend your time and money wisely by consulting with a professional agent to see where the best focus should be. Feel free to reach out to me and we can go over the best strategy of renovations to optimize the sale of your home with the best return on your investment. I'm Janet Bunting, and remember, let me help you discover your coastal lifestyle.